Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this Ford Kuga. So from any screen, you've got map there. That takes you straight, if you just want to see where you're going, map's fine. If you want it to tell you where you're going, navigation. You've got destination input at the top, city and postcode. So we'll go on to city and postcode and enter city or postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Gone straight onto numbers, which a lot of them don't do. 5. Sometimes you have to put a space if it's only 2 digits. So we'll just try this. 4. No, proper. Everything Ford do is always right. It's always best. Better than the big boys, I've got to say. When I say the big boys, I mean not probably as big as Ford, but the more expensive cars. So PR5 4JS, Grosvenor Garage, Wantleydale, Preston, and we're on Chorley Road. So there you go, that's it, PR5 4JS. Click OK. Calculate route to city centre. Well, it's because I've not put a road or a number of a house there. And you've got route 1 eco, route 2 fast, route 3 short. So we'll go route 3 short. That's it. The actual, you see there, the speaker.
Follow the road
there you go.
2 kilometers.
There was no audio instructions then because this little button there, or this touch screen button was knocked off. So that's it. That's how you do it. Very, very easy system to use. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Kuga. From any screen, if you go to Ford, you've got Bluetooth there. Click on Bluetooth, select active phone, select active Bluetooth audio device, debond BT device, debond Bluetooth device. So we'll click on that. And it's only showing my phone at the moment. Click on that. It's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Kuga. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Now I think this will come up on its own. Yes, it's come up straight away, Ford audio. But just to show you kind of what's going on, if we click on phone there, no phone, click on Bluetooth, select active phone, select active Bluetooth audio device, debond device. So Bluetooth is on. If it doesn't come up straight away there, then that should go off. So it's not picking up anything. So we'll just go through that again. So from any screen, first of all, just make sure you've got menu and you've got phone. Click on phone, click on Bluetooth, and then make sure that's on. It will now find the device. Click on Ford audio.
Please enter the PIN code shown on the radio display into your mobile phone.
There you go, and it's showing 2411, 2411 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be using the vehicle again, but you will, so I'm going to put don't allow, but you'd allow. And it's connected. Barry's iPhone 11 is bonded now. The other great thing with this system in the Ford Kuga is if you go to your iTunes, you'll see there at the bottom it's showing Ford audio, and there's a tick next to it. If not, just touch it, go back. Again, if you go to, let's see, if you go to click phone and then you go to Bluetooth, and you can actually select there an active phone to play audio. It's already showing mine, but you may have somebody else in the car that's for some reason you'd want to listen to their music. So here we go. Now if I click play, and then I'll turn this down for the moment. To get to my phone, we have to click CD and aux, and then you might have to click it a couple of times. if it's on CD, for instance, but there's no CD inserted there. So we'll go back, showing the track that's playing. If I turn that up, and then yeah, unfortunate lyrics, but there you go. It's great sound and an easy to use system. Thanks for watching.